Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do something fun and adventurous. I'm going to play with fire and ice. Sounds scary, doesn't it? Don't worry, not the real kind. On one side, I have fire, and on the other side, I have ice. Let's see what happens if I combine fire and ice. Ooh, fire and ice seem to cancel each other out. What do you think will happen if we have 2 units of fire and 2 units of ice? They also cancel each other out because for every unit of fire, we have 1 unit of ice. Let's use this concept to learn how to add integers. On one side, I have fire. Let's take its value to be +1. On the other side, we have ice. Let's give it the value -1. Just like fire and ice, a +1 and a -1, when combined, will cancel out to give us 0. This brings us to a term called additive inverse. Additive inverse is what you add to a number to get 0. In short, the opposite of a number. Here, the additive inverse of +1 is -1, and the additive inverse of -1 is +1. Let's try and solve a question. We'll take 1 unit of fire to show +1, and then we will add 2 more units of fire because the second number is +2. We get 3 units of fire, that's +3. That was easy, wasn't it? Let's try another one. Here, we have 2 negative numbers. -1 will be 1 ice cube. To this, we will add 2 more ice cubes to represent -2. How many ice cubes do we have? That's 3. And is this 3 positive or 3 negative? It's negative since the ice cubes represent negative numbers. It wouldn't be possible to draw fire and ice cubes while solving sums each time. So, let's list down the basic rules. If the sign of both the numbers being added is the same, then ignore the sign and add the numbers. Then, assign the sign to the answer. But what if the signs are different, like in these numbers? That will be 2 ice cubes for -2 and 1 fire cube for +1. +1 and -1 make 0, leaving us with just 1 ice cube. So, the answer is -1. Let's write this as a rule too. If the signs of both the numbers are different, ignore the signs while solving and subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. In this case, we subtracted 1 from 2 after ignoring the signs. Then, give the sign of the bigger number to the answer. So, the answer becomes -1. So, today we learned about addition of integers, and these are the rules we use to add integers.